Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making one of my favorite Indian desserts. It's called Shrikhand. It's a yogurt-based dish, but most of you know I'm mostly vegan. I don't really have any dairy. And so I have veganized Shrikhand and I've simplified it for you. It's almost embarrassing to say this is even a recipe, but here we go. So I start with 1.5 cups of vegan sour cream. This is store-bought vegan sour cream. I did not make this. If you know how to make your own vegan sour cream, be my guest. We're gonna put the vegan sour cream in a mixing bowl. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt, unsweetened. And then we've got a generous pinch of saffron in about 2 tablespoons of warm water. You wanna make sure you get every strand. Next, we've got 1/2 cup of agave, and you can also use 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Today, I'm using agave. And then last but not least, we've got 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder's an intense, fragrant, nutty Indian spice. We use it in most of our desserts. And I think it's an acquired taste, and it's really beautiful. And that's it. And now we're gonna mix this up. And it makes me so happy that I can eat this without dairy because it's one of my favorite desserts. And usually when I eat it, my nose runs, I have other issues, and I can eat this and not have any problems. So everything's mixed, and now we're gonna pour everything into a dish, and we're gonna leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours to sit so that all the ingredients can infuse and become really good friends. I need a lid. So here we are, guys. It's been 2 hours, and look who joined me, Mommy.
Yeah, I have to try this.
So what I have here with me is mango pulp, and we buy an Indian mango pulp that's infused with saffron, but you can buy your favorite mango pulp.
Or even fresh.
Or even make your own mango pulp, why not? So what I like to do is, I like to serve this, and then I just like to add a little bit of the mango pulp into the Shrikhand. And guys, it's the most delicious thing ever. Mom, I really hope you like it because you're like a master chef.
No, I'm not, but I'm always skeptical with your vegan versions because I don't know if it'll live up to the original, but let me try and certify this.
Okay.
I'm impressed.
It makes me so happy. Guys, try this recipe. I hope you love it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. You like it?
Mm-hmm. Really good.